People ask me, when are the police allowed to search my computers? And when I say computers, I'm talking about your desktop, your laptop, your tablets, external hard drives, zip drives, even your smartphone. And the answer is that generally speaking, there's only 4 situations where the cops are allowed to search your computer. The first is if they have a valid search warrant. But even then, we can often challenge the search warrant itself in court and get the search thrown out. The second situation is if you consent, if you agree to let the police search your computer. And I tell people, never, ever consent to let the police search your computers. Because even if you think that you have nothing to hide, you never know how the authorities may try to use your data against you. The third situation where cops are allowed to search your computers is at the border or at airports. If you cross the border or you go to the airport, the police have said that you have a lesser expectation of privacy, and many times the police are allowed to search without a warrant. The fourth situation is emergency circumstances. This would be, for example, a scenario where you're suspected of being a terrorist, and the police believe that on your laptop is a map that shows a location of the bomb, and they simply don't have time to go get a warrant. But the fact is, these situations are very rare. So absent one of these circumstances, having a warrant, having your consent, an airport or border search, or an emergency situation, absent one of these scenarios, the police are not allowed to search the files on your computer. If you've been arrested or charged with a crime based on a police search of one of your computers, we invite you to contact us here at Shouse Law Group. We've had a lot of success in challenging these searches in court, getting the evidence excluded, and ultimately getting our clients' charges reduced or dismissed.